Joe,
Okay,
what have you
so
got?
this is a SammichSID synthesizer, and it's built from a case provided by Jason Williams from Australia, and everything actually came with the whole kit except for two SID chips, and these are two 6582 Commodore 64 sound chips.
Commodore 64, that's cool. Blast from the past.
It is, and you can definitely hear some of the old sounds in it if you play it. So inside, actually, there's two boards, and I think that's where the Sammich idea comes from. There's the board underneath has the two SID chips and a PIC microcontroller that converts the MIDI messages coming in into control for the chips. And then you have a control surface board which takes the input from these buttons here and this rotary encoder, and it's display, and it has, of course, an LED or LCD, and it has these LEDs here. Okay.
Cool.
So
It looks great. It is lovely finish to it. And
So I can give you there's a few patches that came from the MIDIBox website, and it's running the MIDIBox operating system here.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
So I can actually maybe take you through some of the menus. You have 5 different menus. One is related to the SID chip, the type of clock, the type of filter. Then another one, hang on, if you come here, there we go. Oh, yeah, God.
That's fine.
Alright, so you have type of channel. This is for the filter. Okay.
You'd have to use the one downstairs. I'll show you which one.
Oh, wow, cool.
Okay.
I can log you in. You have to use the one downstairs, that's okay.
Grand. Okay. So I'll just do a couple of sound demos for this. So this is. So these are a few demo patches.
We plugged it into our amps. Marshall, PV.
Okay. This is it.
That's a great sound.
Each chip is 3 oscillators. So
Oh,
you
wow.
can detune those 3 oscillators, and it's a stereo output.
So this is analog, you
It
said,
is
didn't
analog,
you?
yeah.
Oh, that's a great sound. That's a great sound. Oh, and the relays light now. Try that again.
So the LEDs are kind of show which voices are switched on or not.
Oh, wow. So they actually are encoding real information.
Yeah.
Oh, do that again. Oh, that's brilliant. That's another great sound.
So I could play some, which is very reminiscent of the sounds you get with the Commodore. It's like this. No, I messed it up.
Oh, yeah.
Turned off the arpeggio by accident. So hang on, give me a second. Let me put it on again. You might have to edit this video.
Don't worry. No, this is good. This is the... Ooh.
Yeah, it makes a little sound.
Oh, yeah. Oh, do that again.
So when you hold 2 notes together.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Oh, that's great. That's great.
And there's a couple of special effects sounds in here if I could find them. And some drum sounds actually.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, yeah.
Now the resonant filter is
Oh, that's
not as strong. Okay, and let's find some of these around.
Joe, that sounds fantastic. That's the arpeggiator now, is it?
Mm. Is it driving a car?
That's classic.
Yeah, very reminiscent of
Oh,
1980s
that's brilliant.
games.
That's brilliant. Game over. But we'll end it on game
Yeah.
over. That is brilliant, Joe. Well done. Well,
So
well
my
put
next
together.
project is
Uh-huh.
I have 8 6581 chips,
Uh-huh.
and you can do another synth with that, which is a bigger 65. It's called an MB6582. So that's my
Oh, what's that
next
going to
project.
sound like? Is that going to be... what
4
is-
times as big as this.
Whoa. Right, that's just epic.